Hello everyone, myself Kale Prasad Anil, lecturer at Mula Education Society's Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai. Today we will going to discuss hospital manufacturing, economic and demand consideration. Content of these chapters are factors affecting economy of hospital, economic considerations, controlling the operating process, estimation of demand. So usually hospitals are now slowly moving to manufacture their medicinal requirement in the own premises. Apart from sterile manufacture of large volume fluids and other parenterals, hospital can manufacture non-sterile liquid oral preparations, externals and bulk preparations. So let us start with the point factors affecting economy of hospital. First of all, we have to analyze the factors which affect the economy of hospital. Then we will discuss one by one. First factor, manufacturing requirement. Then material requirement, manufacturing staff, manufacturing capacity, manufacturing equipment, and operating cost. So we will see one by one. Manufacturing requirement. The consumption rate for each item is calculated by reviewing the previous records and compared with present requirement. Then material requirement. The raw material, packaging material, and other materials required for manufacturing can be determined by various formulas. Then manufacturing staff. Adequate number of technically competent and legally qualified pharmacists must be available in the manufacturing section. The next factor which affect the economy of hospital, and that is manufacturing capacity. Usually it depends on the availability of equipment and economy of hospital to fulfill the requirement. The next point, manufacturing equipments. The type and size of manufacturing equipment required in hospital depend upon manufacturing program, like the quantities to be produced, duration of production time, availability of personnels, and availability of physical facilities. Last factors which affect the economy of hospital, and that is operating cost. Usually it includes both direct cost, that is labor, cost of material, etc., and indirect cost like maintenance of building, insurance, policies, etc. The next point, economic considerations. So usually understanding the marketing environment of the industry or business or manufacturer is essential to size up the business. Various factors, that is social, ecological, legal, and competitive, affects the marketing environment. One of the most important factor is the economic factor or environment of the business. Usually the two principal ways in which the economic environment affect the business. First principle, overall economic condition which affects the growth of the market. And second principle, ability to raise finances to furnish the projects and growth plans. So there are the factors governs the economic consideration during the manufacture of drug affecting make or buy a decision. First point, quality. Second point, quantity. And third point, cost and service. So we will see one by one. First point, quality. By comparing the quality of drug produced in the hospital manufacturing unit and drug purchased from outside, one can decide whether to manufacture a drug or to buy it. If quality of purchased drug is maximum than manufactured, then steps should be taken to improve the quality without increasing the manufacturing cost. Then second point, quantity. Once the demand for specific item is known, one can calculate the appropriate order quantities that will minimize overall purchasing cost. This is called as economic order quantity, which is discussed earlier. Then third point, cost. By comparison of the cost of drugs bought from outside with that manufactured in the hospital, one can decide whether to make in the hospital or buy from outside. Usually the determination of the cost of drug produced in the hospital should take into consideration the following points. First point, cost of raw materials. Second point, processing cost, which include building, machine and furniture, labor charges, etc. Third point, quality control charges. Fourth point, packaging cost. Fifth point, office cost, which include printing, stationery, postage, etc. The next point which we have to study, that is about controlling the operating process. So usually controlling the operation process is the success of any business. When operations go out of control, costs become excessive and delay occurs in patient service. The overall quality of care tends to suffer. So there should be a strict control on the following points, like purchase of raw materials. In that, purchase quantity decision, source of supply decision, purchase timing decision, and purchase terms decision. Then second point, manufacturing process control. In that, including selection of equipment, processing time, and personal requirements. The next point, control on quality of product, and last one, packaging control. The next point is related with estimation of demand. So usually there are three methods for estimation of demand for the drugs in hospital. First method, experience of past. Second, judgmental. Third one, casual method. So we will see one by one. Experience of past. The experience and consumption of drugs in the past helps in deciding the requirement of drugs in future. Then second method, judgmental. The clinical and pharmacy staff of the hospital gives the opinion about requirement of drugs. The third method, that is casual method. By assessing the medical records of the hospital, one can estimate the demand for specific drug based on specific criterion. Thank you.